Hi, welcome to this week's episode of SPTV, and this week's inspiration comes from Direct Line, the insurance company. I know a couple of the guys over there and have spoken to them about this topic, and it is about their kind of relatively new offering of their protection of no claims discounts or no claims bonus, and particularly in the fact that they will look after their customers when they get sort of hit or have an accident by someone who's not insured, because that's the real big thing for them. And it's been a bugbear for their customers, and that's what they've had the feedback from, and that's why they've brought this in to their policy and into their marketing and into the business as a whole. Because what they were finding was that people were kind of law-abiding citizens and paying their insurance on time, and generally being very good at what they're doing, and then they were unfortunately having an accident, finding out the person was quite frankly stupidly not insured, because they decided to take the risk instead because it was cheaper, which I don't condone in the slightest, but that's up to them. But then they were suddenly getting kind of hit again, without too much of a pun for that bit, but they were getting stung again because they were losing their no claims bonus because they couldn't go to the other insurance company because that person wasn't insured. So that's where Direct Line have come in, and they've said, look, you know what, we're going to protect you, whether you get hit by someone that's insured or not insured, we'll look after it. It's done, it's sorted. And it's a really smart strategy that they're working there. I'm quite honest by it. I do go on the comparison sites like many of us do, I'm sure. I've had a look at Direct Line because I used them many years ago, and I happened to have a look at them. They are considerably more expensive for what they're offering, but for some people it will be a really big pull for them that they know that there is an increase. Direct Line know there's an increase. The consumers really know that there is an increase, unfortunately, in people deciding to take that risk and not being insured, and they will be prepared to pay that because you don't know when you're going to get hit, you don't know who you're going to get hit by, and that's why they want to do that. They're more comfortable paying more money every year or every month to do that, because they know that they're not going to lose their no claims bonus or discount when if God forbid something was to happen to it. And it's really, really smart for Direct Line because they are using it as a getting and keeping customer kind of tactic in their business. Now they know that they are going to, when they released it, they're unfortunately going to hit some people or target some people that have literally just taken their insurance out or renewed their policy with who they are. So there's going to be sort of kind of 11, 12, 13 months with that, but they will hopefully be getting people moving across to them sort of steadily every month until that point. And also they'll be introducing it to their existing customers and adding it onto their policies when they renew. So again, it will be a keeping customer tactic on that side of things for them. So it's going to work really well. There's many examples. I know that's a car insurance thing, which possibly I think that most of our audience are not in that industry, but I think it is how you apply it to your business. We've done a lot of things with kind of making it easy to switch, finding the pain points of your customers in previous SPTV episodes, and it's using those and kind of tying that all together, and the real pain of your customers or the potential sort of bugbears of it, and how you can make it as easy as possible for them. For that, and as ever, as we've been saying for a little while now on SPTV, this has always been an option, so please do feel free. If you just can't see how it can work in your business, it may not work in every business, I appreciate that, but there will be many businesses that it can work for. If you want some help with that, then just let me or my team know. Wherever you see this video, there will be a way of getting in contact with us, whether it's a comments box below, above, to the side, wherever it is. If it's come through an email, reply to that. Myself and my team will pick that up, so we're more than happy to help you work that side of things through and give you some ideas specific to your business, and that's totally free of charge. We just want to kind of help more businesses grow their businesses as well. So I hope that's helped. As I said, if you need any help, then just give us a shout, and we'll see you in 7 days time with the next episode of SPTV.